In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily trim video in Instagram Story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here at that plus to start creating a story. Now, first off, we can select videos, and now I'm gonna choose a video that is longer than 60 seconds just to demonstrate you how it works, because on Instagram we can use videos in our stories up to 60 seconds. However, we can cut out that fragment from the video that is less than 60 seconds from any video like that one. It is 2 minutes and 14 seconds. However, we can select that video. If we drag it, if we drag this playback marker, this blue line, we can see that if selected first 60 seconds of a video that I've selected. However, guys, we can, by dragging that video row, we can select any part from all that video. We can trim it, by the way, from the start by dragging this edge. That would be the start of the video, and in the same way we can select the end of the video we would like to use in our story in that way. Once it is done, we can just tap add done, and then we can add here any stickers, any music, any text, do all the stuff we usually do while creating a story on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.